What if something happens to you just like it happened to him because of me?
Listen, you're Spider-Man. I love that. But I love Peter Parker more. That's worth it to me.
I can't lose you too.
You have done this to me again and again. I break up with you. I break up with you. Have you been following me? I knew it. How often?
Just once a day. Sometimes more.
Why? Make sure I'm safe?
And it's the closest I can get to being with you. We've all got to make a choice. Right? Why choose you? I'm following you now. I'm just gonna follow you everywhere. I'm just gonna follow you the rest of my life. Stay with me, stay with me. Stay with me, stay with me. Stay with me. No, please, please.